Hi, this is Charles, and what you're about to listen to is an audio test for GoTranscript. If you're currently working for GoTranscript and you've picked this up as a job, refuse it immediately and contact support. That's a big no-no.
Hi, Christine speaking, and I am with Mary Alice Young. Today's date is August 15th, 2022. The time is 3:20 p.m. We are discussing a loss which occurred on or around June 18th, 2022. I am here representing the Fictional Car Insurance Corporation, where our motto is, if you file a claim, you can be sure it's fictional. We are here at Ms. Cantrell's residence at 79 Wistful Vista, Baghdad, Florida. Mary Alice, please put down that fuzzy navel for a sec and tell me if you're aware I'm recording this interview.
Yes, ma'am.
I have your permission?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not represented by an attorney or a public adjuster in connection with this?
No, ma'am.
Mary Alice, what's your date of birth?
June 17th, 2004.
In connection with this?
No, ma'am.
Mary Alice, what's your date of birth?
June 17th, 2004.
Ma'am, let me just remind you that this is a recorded line.
Oh, fine. 1984 then, smarty pants.
How long have you lived at your location?
I've been at my fabulous Florida mansion for 2 months.
Ma'am, just a reminder that,
Oh, fine. It's a trailer park. Are you happy?
Is that a rental, or did you...
It most certainly is not a rental. I bought it with the insurance money I scammed out of you folks last year. You do know that 9 out of 10 claims made to your company are bogus, right?
Of course. I just work here, ma'am. Anyway, is this the first home that you've ever purchased?
Yes, it is.
And who's your employer?
I'm employed by Initech Corporation.
What did you do for them?
Well, naturally, with my skills and training, I was immediately promoted from front desk to logistics analyst.
And how long have you been with them for?
Well, now, let me see. I've been with Initech a total of 4 years, and before that I worked for Initrode right across the way.
What was your immediate supervisor's name?
Bill Lumberg.
And how much were you expecting to get from this scam, this claim?
At least $1,500, enough to pay for my next mani-pedi.
Well, we'll see. I'll drop by tomorrow and ask you some more questions, okay?
Sure thing. Ta-ta for now.
Thus ends interview number 1.
This audio was used for the transcriber test.
Thus ends interview number 1.
This audio was used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript. If you submitted it to GoTranscript for transcription, you're really pushing your luck. Charles saying good night.